All right, so this is an unboxing of the Gmmk Pro by Glorious. This is the bare bones edition, and I've been waiting for this keyboard for a while, man. I haven't really been able to buy it because it's just to build it was just out of my reach. So now waiting for this is amazing. So starting this off, we open it, and everything seems good. Good packaging. Let's see what this piece says. Let's open this up a little bit more. This little piece, we're gonna put it on this side. Glorious. This is for the quick start guide. Okay. Gel silica, and I am assuming that this is a sticker. Okay, cool. Now, oof, it's the moment I've been waiting for. This is exactly what I want. I have been waiting for you. This feels super duper duper heavy. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh man. Oh wow. This is great. So they told me that the stabilizers for this keyboard is not very good, but that we're gonna be able to. Oh yeah, that feels great. Okay, not as smooth as I would like it, but so they told me that this stabilizers were not good, but the ones that I ordered were supposed to come in today, and they got lost in transit as well. So we're gonna have to continue with these anyways. This feels amazingly built. So this feels like a really good keyboard. This is aluminum base, I believe, and it just feels so heavy. This is gonna be a dream to go through. So this is 75%. I like this one because it has the up, down, left and right, and it also has the escape key out. I usually do, I think it's the 60%, but like for example, I have the other one here that I have. This is my other keyboard. So this is the Drop Alt. Amazing keyboard. It's not the same of what I'm going to go build now, but as you can see, the problem is that I don't have an escape key. So I had to map this one because of programming. This is one of my favorite keys to use. So yeah, we had to kind of remove that. And now I can type in, and I have my thing with the escape button. So let me set this to the side, and I'm going to come here again. So the box, let me see. Am I even recording now? And I am, okay. So this brings a keycap thing. I think I have a better one, so I'm probably gonna use that one. Oh, it comes with some gaskets. I will probably use this later on because when I get my new stabilizer, I would have to open everything up. And look at this. And it comes with a cable already. This is a really good cable. It feels amazing. This is really high quality. I'm actually very surprised on how good the quality is on this keyboard, man. This is amazing. Okay, so that is the unboxing of the keyboard itself. I hope you guys liked this video. If I wanted to tell you, this is an amazing bare bones kit. I already can feel that this is a really good quality build. I am going to be in love with this keyboard. All right, thank you. Bye.